So Honor has finally launched the Honor Win Turbo in China, and you may be paying up to $600 depending on the model that you want. According to the details, the device comes in different memory configurations, including a 12GB RAM and 256GB storage version that costs about $486. And then there's the 512GB model that costs $532, or about $530, while the top end 16GB RAM and 512GB version goes for $619. Anyway, the Honor Win Turbo, as we know, is literally one of the best mid-range devices of 2026. It packs a massive 10,000 mAh battery, and even though it packs such a really large battery, it is still one of the thinnest devices with only 7.98mm thickness, and the device weighs just 216 grams, which is very impressive. It has a really nice design as well. On the back, you get a large horizontal rectangular camera module that of course contains the camera lenses and a flash. In terms of specs, the phone is rated IP68, IP69 and even IP69K, which means it is waterproof, dustproof, and of course resistant to high pressure water jets. It has a 6.79-inch flat LTPS AMOLED display with a sharp 1.5K resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. Brightness goes as high as 8,000 nits, which is impressive, and it features 3,840Hz high frequency PWM dimming, which helps reduce eye strain and flickering, especially for people who use their phones for long periods of time. Under the hood, the device is powered by the Dimensity 8500 chipset. And of course, I already told you guys the memory configurations of this device, the different memory options. Of course, the storage is UFS 4.1, which I forgot to mention earlier. Software-wise, it runs Magic OS 10 based on Android 16 out of the box, and it is expected to get multiple years of OS updates. Alongside the super large battery, the phone also supports 80-watt SuperCharge support, which can reportedly fill the battery in around 90 minutes. Considering the size of this battery, that charging speed is actually very respectable. You also get 27-watt wired reverse charging rather, which means you could use the Win Turbo as a power bank. You can use it to charge your other devices. And in the camera department, well, let's just say this phone has a really simple camera setup. On the back, you have a 50MP main sensor with OIS support and a 5MP ultra wide angle lens, while the phone has a 16MP selfie shooter, which can record up to 4K videos at 30fps. So other features include Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6.0, NFC, Blaster, dual stereo speakers. The phone also has an in-display fingerprint scanner. I believe it's an optical in-display fingerprint scanner, not ultrasonic. And then there's face unlock. So these are just some of the top features of the Honor Win Turbo. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.